What it do? It's your man 9 Million. I'm back with another one, baby. Getting situated for another IDPA match. Got off the truck earlier today, and I'm out here on the range later in the evening. That's my mentor coach, Memphis Beach on YouTube. Check him out. Today's objective is to slow down and get more hits. I'm trying to see what that does for my ranking overall. So I won't be shooting as fast as I tried to last week, but I am gonna be focused on accuracy. Hopefully that does something for my ranking, my score. Trying to figure out a balance between speed and accuracy. IDPA is very unforgiving with misses, so I think that's what I'm gonna focus more on, just get less misses even though I may be slower. Let's see how that does for me. I'll holler. Peace.
I got it.
All right, 9 is the shooter. Elliot on deck. Ben is in the hole.
Had to even it up for you.
All righty, folks. Range is hot. Shooter. Load make ready. Shooter ready.
I'm ready.
Stand by. Shooter ready?
I'm ready.
Stand by. Yep, finished. Unload and show clear. I see clear. Slide forward. Trigger and holster.
Hey, Charles, hang on.
Range is clear.
There you go.
2617, 2617. Nice.
Yeah.
0, 0. Not dressed clean. 1, 0. What do we got? 0, 0. Not dressed clean.
Oh yeah, he's trying to make it some time.
0, 0. Right.
It's my focus today. Go slower. Thank you.
All right, Elliot is our shooter. Ben's in the
I don't know.
on deck. And then that's it. That's us finished with this.
Not sure.
Elliot's the shooter.
All right,
Then it's on deck.
oh, I'm gonna go grab my mags.
All right.
Still got the camera going. I didn't hear my time.
Oh.
We'll see. Let's go load some mags. I'll be back later. Peace. I'm gonna start off right here in the middle, go left, and then come back around right as I unload. There's some tricky targets on this one, man. It's a lot of non-threats in front of the targets. So we'll see. We're gonna let it do what it do, baby.
All right, cats. Ed is the shooter, then me, then.
You go by Ben or Ben?
Ben. All right, folks. Range is hot. Shoot it. Load and make ready.
Gotta cover my tape up. I'm going this way.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Shit. Shit.
Finish. Download and show clear. I see a clear. Slide forward. Trigger and holster. Range is clear. 3638. 3638. Yep, yep. What we got? 0, 0, 0.
Zeros.
Non-press clean. 0, 0.
Oh. Oh. Hurtful.
1.
I'm looking everywhere I can look, bro.
10.
Cool. 0, 0, not press clean.
0, 0. 0, 0.
And I miscounted.
Score. Pace him up.
All right.
That was a hurtful stage.
I am the shooter. Elliot's the shooter.
Not only did I miss a whole target, I also forgot to turn on my head cam. Oh well. That was a difficult stage, I ain't even gonna lie. Kinda had me flustered. So let's load some ass, get on to it, baby. I'll holla. Peace.
232, range is clear.
Alright, this time I turned the camera on early so we got to see Big Bro.
Are you ready? Stand by.
We got to see Nico shoot first
0, 0, non
through the head cam. Hopefully I turned this bad boy on. I can't tell if it's on or not. Oh yeah, it's blinking, it's on. It's stage 3 over here.
Yeah, I know. All that. 2 down, man. All scored, folks. Paced him up. It's better than hitting a fucking non-threat.
And again, I don't know if I said it already, but I am shooting with my dot occluded, meaning it's blacked out. I can't see through the glass. And I'm doing that on purpose because I'm trying to get better at being target focused. So it's slowing me down right now because I'm not used to it. But
Hey, just to speed things up, just stay down there and pace while we shoot.
That's the shooter. Elliot on deck. Bennett in the hole.
Just gotta speed things up a little bit.
All right. Range is hot. All right, load him ready.
Master there.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Stand by.
Shit. Get in there.
Unload show clear, I see clear, slide forward, trigger, and holster. Range is clear, 4103. Alright, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Stand by.
shit. Ah, yeah.
Alright, unload and show clear. Ice clear, slide forward, trigger, and holster. Range is clear, 4103.
4103.
I got 1
No, I agree, man.
and 0. And a hit on a non-threat.
Ah,
That break the.
Yeah. There's a perk right there.
Ah, shit.
damn.
109.
Who's getting it just on the edge?
Uh,
Yeah.
Just
pissing.
One. Is that a? You shoot 2 at this, or
I think it's the paster that.
I think you knocked the pacer off.
Yeah.
I shot 2 at all of these.
Yeah, you shot 2 at these.
Yeah.
So 1.
So that's
Just
a 1.
6.
That's a 6. Yeah.
Non-threat's clean.
Non-threat's clean.
You ain't trying to catch up with me, are you?
We got 0.
2 hits on a non-threat.
Ah,
Damn, you fucked him up, right? And then 0. And then 4.
horrible.
Hey, after he took the first round, the second one's on him, man. Get the hell out of the way.
What are you shooting, revolver? Come on!
Take it up on the next stage, brother.
Elliot is the shooter! Bed on deck! Jeremiah in the hole! For the long shots, you really want to take that. I mean, the tape is for your red dot, you know?
Yeah.
That's for like practicing to get faster.
Yeah,
But when you're taking long shots, you need to kind of take that tape off because that's probably why you.
yeah, probably. Ah, yeah, that was horrible, man. That was horrible, accurate. But I ain't even gonna lie, that's why I had a tape on it. That's why I'm using the tapes. I'm really trying to get better. Although it's hurting in competition, I'm still looking at this as practice. This is to get better overall. So I won't run it like this forever. That's what I'm on for now. Maybe take it off. Nah, I'm gonna keep it because like this next stage that we got coming up is got some longer shots as well. But like I said, I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping at all. That is definitely the most points I ever had down in a in the stage though. 9 threads got hit, missed shots or missed target. Horrible. How many is that? 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. Let's see, 11. Alright, I'll be back. I had to switch guns, y'all. My dot died on my Glock. So I got the Ruger RXM, and it's not a cool.
Alright, range is hot. Alright, load and McReady. Flip your shirt. Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
I don't even know how many.
Attention, load and show clear. I see clear, slide forward, trigger, and holster. Range is clear, 3472. Didn't know.
I had to switch guns, y'all. My dot died on my Glock.
I'm almost.
So I got the
That's
little
fine.
RXM,
Okay.
and it's not a.
All right, range is hot. All right, load and make ready. Flip your shirt. Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
I don't even know how many.
Finish unload and show clear.
3472.
I see clear, slide forward, trigger, and holster. Range is clear, 3472.
010.
010.
What was the one? Which one was the one?
In the middle.
Middle. Okay.
2.
Made up of the wrong target.
Clean. 0. Looks like 3. Okay. Clean. 0.
Oh, 9.
Yo.
2.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And 0. All scored, pace them up.
You got me.
Yeah, I got you over
You
here.
got me. Here,
Front
I'll take
stage.
that.
Let's load up.
Nikos, Bennett. All right, range is hot. All right, load and make ready.
Where we starting from again?
Hands on the yellow.
Ah,
You understand the course of fire?
I believe so, yes.
All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Stand by.
This way. Get finished unload, show clear. I see clear. Slide forward, trigger, and hold. Range is clear, 3104. Glad I blocked you. You would have ran around the wall there. Damn.
2
Damn.
non-threat.
Fuck that guy.
We got 4, 6, and 6.
Yeah, that's,
Damn.
0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, and we'll give them that one. That's a 1.
Horrible.
Yeah, 2, 4. Yeah, 4 to 6. And 2 hits on a non-threat. Yeah, I got that.
I gotta get back in the lab, man. I gotta get in the lab. Not accuracy today. Not at all. But hey, I did have fun. We'll see. Y'all stay tuned. We'll see how the results ended up. But I didn't feel great about it. But like I said, we'll see how the results panned out at later on in the video, that's how we finish it off with my placement and scores and all of that. So man, thanks for tuning in. I believe that was the last stage, and if so, y'all be cool how y'all be cool. I'll finish it off. Well, maybe I put on the screen right now some the scores and the results or whatever. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Hit that like button. Stay dangerous, stay safe, and stay dangerous all at the same time. Go ahead and check out the website at gohardtactics.com, man. We got affiliate links over there as well as merch. I'll holla. Peace. All right, correction. That was not the last stage. We got enough time to bust out another stage, so they said we're gonna do an El Prez. I've never done an El Prez.
Yeah, you see this one?
So,
Whoa. Man.
you know how many shots of El Prez is?
Mark's the shooter. Charles on deck. Last man.
Hey, Mark, how many shots is the El Prez?
It's usually 2-2-2, reload 2-2-2.
222, reload 222.
First mag 6, second mag whatever.
Okay.
Is it an El Prez or a Fred special?
I don't know, what do you want, Migos?
What's the Fred special again?
We put the little short wall up, you shoot 3 on one side of one hand, 3 on the other hand.
The old strong hand, weak hand drill.
Strong hand, weak hand,
Ah, let's do El Prez.
and it's limited.
How many shots is the El Prez? 6?
Limited El Prez. Limited. Can we get one more?
6
guess?
reload 6?
6. Yeah, my
12? Okay. 12 one mag?
Huh?
6 round mag?
Yeah.
6 round mag, reload, 6 more shots, I'm guessing. All right, stay tuned, fam.
Range is high. Shooter. Load mag ready.
I think we're good. Yeah. I think we are at it. Where was I? That guy came up there. It's like, load and make ready. You know, it's already loaded. Oh, shit. Excuse me?
Shooter ready.
Right.
Stand by. Range is clear. 1312.
13-12.
Okay, that was this one.
5.
Damn.
3. 2.
All right.
All scored. Pace them up.
5-3-2.
532.
Shooter ready.
Right.
Stand by. They're finished. Unload and show clear. I see clear. Slide forward. Trigger and holster. Range is clear. 1312.
13-12.
5.
Damn.
3. 2.
So yeah, man, I got to get back in the lab. I'm pulling my shots to the left, crazy. But I felt it on that because it was a little slower than doing the stage. And I felt I'm putting too much input when I'm pulling in my trigger finger hand. I'm squeezing too hard, so gotta get back in the lab and fix that. But that's why we do this, man. Get better, 1% better every day. Figure out what the problem is and fix it. I just got home from shooting my IDPA match, and on the way driving over here, I started to think, like, earlier in the match, when I was running with my Glock 19, my accuracy was a lot better. Not the greatest, but it was a lot better than it was later in the match. The accuracy, I mean, the consistency was there because my groups were pretty tight. However, all of my shots were to the left. So my next video is me taking this bad boy, my Ruger RXM, taking that bad boy to the range and testing the testing the zero. I'm curious if that was all me pushing my shots to the left, or was some of that because my dot needs to be zeroed again. Cause like I know this was zero. I did pretty good with my shooting, other than, you know, me messing up, shooting wrong targets or whatever. Like, I definitely have input, so I'm definitely not making no excuses as to why I had so many points down. However, for all of my shots to be left, I either got tired and lazy, which could be the case because I did drive all day and it's like now nighttime. I only slept about an hour. Or it could be that the zero is off. Either way, I'm gonna take that to the range next video, and we'll see. Like I said, I ain't making no excuses, but I started thinking about that. Like, all my shots were to the left. Like, what the hell? Is that me or is it the gun? So just to make myself feel better, we gonna re-zero and see what it is. Either way, you know I'm gonna keep it real, man. Real shit over here. Gen 6 Glock 19. That's what I was gonna say. Part of my misses earlier in the match was we had some longer shots, and as you see, I got my dot occluded. My dot is blacked out, so that's why I did it. Like, that's why I ran the whole match as far as I could with that, because I wanted to see how I do with an occluded dot during real live fire. I've only really done that once or twice on a flat range, so this was a lot different. I liked it. It's not something that I'm gonna do all the time, but that's part of my training. This whole match was part of my training. Now this was not occluded, and I was still missing, so that's why I'm gonna re-zero and see if that's the problem or not. Y'all stay tuned. Next video, that's what it's gonna be. Peace.
Introducing the StopBox Pro gun safe, the ultimate solution for safety. With cutting-edge technology, this safe keeps your firearms secure yet accessible. Built to last with an advanced locking mechanism, trust that your loved ones are protected. Use link in the description for 10% off, and buy one StopBox Pro, get one free. Double the safety for your peace of mind. Visit our website today, link is in the description.
Now live at GoHardTactics.com. All merch as well as affiliate links to any affiliates that I have on the channel. You can support the channel by buying a sticker, t-shirt, patches. We have sweatshirts and more things to come. So check out GoHardTactics.com. Hey, whether you need to defend yourself with your hands, pistol, a sword, a rifle, or a pistol, USCCA. Anything happens, whether it's criminal or civil cases, that will cover your ass in case you need to use self-defense. No lacking. USCCA, link in the description. Don't say I ain't tell you so. USCCA ain't the only ones on the market, so shop around. We personally use USCCA. That link is in the description. They have insurance policy, online training, and certifications right at the comfort of your own home.